Today, we are going to learn time words. In Chinese, we locate time words before the verb. So, 他8点回家。8点 before 回家。回 is a verb. 家 is the object of 回, means go home. 他8点回家。Remember, time before the verb. Time words before the verb. 今天 means today. 早上 morning. 8点 8 o'clock. In Chinese, we speak larger time first. So 今天 is the biggest. We speak first. 今天早上 morning. 8点 the order from larger to little time. 今天早上8点。今天早上8点 is a time phrase. We combine 3 elements together. 今天 and 早上 and 8点 from a larger one to later one. And we put time words before the verb 上课。我今天早上8点上课。Time words before verb. We should know the other rule about time words. Time words could be after the subject or before the subject. So we can move 今天 before the subject. 今天我早上8点上课。And 早上 is time words, right? Time word. So we can move 早上 before the subject. So we can say 今天早上我8点上课。And 8点 is time word, right? So we can move before the subject. 今天早上8点我上课。Got it? Let's see the example. Repeat after me. 我9点30分上课。我9点30分上课。Time words before the verb. 他今天没有课。他今天没有课。今天 time words before the verb. And 今天 time word can put before the subject. So we can say 今天他 没有课。So 2 ways to locate time word before or after the subject. 几 is a question word to ask number. Repeat after me. 你几点去图书馆 ？Here, 几 third tone and 点 third tone. When we speak third tone and third tone, we change this formal third tone to second tone. So we pronounce 你几点去图书馆？你几点去图书馆？ Please remember time words before the verbs. See you. Bye.